Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Usibongile decided to take the job, right? Ugrow waya nje bathi hayi uncunu nje bamtshela labo mama abasebenza ukuthi yabona le igcoke namhlanje no, there's no such a job that will require you to dress like this. If it's an honest job, it's not appropriate when nje zivale in abanye bazama ukumtshela ukuthi hey usexy in but nope, usibeka ubusexy eceleni. At this point you don't look like somebody oyoqashwa for employment. You don't look nice at all. Ayeke usibongile makafika emsebenzini le coat bebamgqokiswe naphezulu ugela elahlele phansi aqhubeke ngale outfit yasemsebenzini that is required. But girl, the day did not go as expected nje. Everything just went south, went nje yahamba kabi. Kwaba umuntu nje oyithibanga umngani ke wangena intervene kule situation. But I'm asking myself ukuthi why should she do the promotion work ne? Not because of but because ubabakhe akayidingi le mali at this point. Furthermore, she should be focusing on her studies more than trying to get indawo yokuthi to making money. I'm sure her studies are what are going to make her comfortable in the future that she's aiming to get. Otherwise, angazi mhlampe I'm lost. Ulo usibalikhulu ke aye kubhuti wakhe. Makafika kubhuti wakhe, ubhuti wakhe urequeste isangoma. Makafika lapho sangoma la ngena lithi lenza izinto zakhona. Yey, wahala umfana kalobhuti wathi never. My father does not need isangoma at this point. My father needs to be healed. My father needs dialysis. Leni yenzayo manje seyiyabheda nje. Ubaba kwathi ngithi ngiyamdinga. Lo muntu lo uzongipholisa, lo muntu lo uzoqeda zonke inkinga enginazo. Athi ngithi lo muntu lo akangithinti. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Lo muntu akamthinti ubabami, akangithinti mina. Into ezoyenzakala nje ukuthi wena uzothi aburhwa. But also you can see that there's tension between these families, and I'm not too sure what creates the tension, what is the problem, what happened. But the part that was like, wow, initially. Remember, initially I thought the big brother could be maybe Phetheni's baby daddy. And then the way he reacted as to how shocked he was and telling uPhetheni ukuthi uziphethe kabi wakhafula nan. Ngamangala ngathi no, maybe not him. Now he's asking uPhetheni ukuthi is the baby his? Like I was so confused. Like by the baby we are referring to Ukwenzo, who's now an adult, who's a divorcee, who's going to get married again. But like it shocked me ukuthi kanjani because like no man. But yeah, that is the situation. We will know ukuthi kahle kahle ubani ubaba womntwana. Mhlambe vele after all Ukwenzo still uDlamini.